One of the questions we get asked quite often is if I have vinyl on my vehicle and I get into an accident or I have an insurance claim, what happens? Well, the honest truth is insurance will normally reimburse you or pay to have it put back on your vehicle just the way it was before the accident occurred. If you're in an accident and it's someone else's fault, it's going to be important to let that other driver's insurance company know that you had vinyl on your vehicle. This could be vinyl that's just a color change, or if you have any lettering that are corporate lettering, or anything in between. That they may then ask you for original receipts from your original purchase, or they may ask you to go get a quote to have it redone today. If you have vinyl put on your vehicle on your own car, we would highly recommend letting your own personal insurance know that you've added this, just like any other aftermarket add-on. You just want to make sure you're properly covered in the event of an accident. The way that would pragmatically work, you had, say, a hail claim, you brought it to a shop like ours, we needed to peel that vinyl off in order to repair those hail damage dents. We would do so, and we would send pictures of everything to the insurance. They would then reimburse for the repairs, for the vinyl to be reapplied, make your car look just like it did before the hail occurred. If you have any questions about vinyl on a vehicle or insurance claims or anything in between, we're happy to help. Feel free to stop by one of our shops or give us a call.